Good morning, 7th standard students. Today we are going to start exercise 6.2. 6.2 in our syllabus, 6.1 also in our syllabus. In the last video we done 6.1 ratio. In this exercise we will start proportional. Okay, in the last exercise we done when we compare any two numbers, that is called ratio. These two dots is called a ratio. In this chapter we will learn when we compare two ratio, that is called proportional. When we compare two ratios like A ratio B, this four dots is called proportional. C ratio D. We can write like A over B is equal to C over D. We can use the formula also, product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product of extreme is A and D and product of means is B and C. Okay, move to the question number 1. First part, here in this they said find whether the numbers are proportional or not. We can use two methods here. One by one I will solve. First method, it is given 6 over 21 is equal to 12 over 4. We do the cutting. Here I am using the table of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Here I am using the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. You can see both are not equal. It's mean they are not proportional. If both are equal, then it is a proportional. Other method is this. I am doing the question number first, fourth part. You can use any method, okay? 30, 15 and 40, 20 is given to you. Here we can use this formula. Product of extreme is equal to product of means. So here first is A, second is B, third is C and fourth is D. So we will use A into D is equal to B into C. Product of extreme means last one. Product of extreme 30 into 20. Product of means mean internal, inside. जो middle में 15 into 40. So 600 is equal to 600. Both are equal. So yes, it is a proportional. Exercise 6.2 continuous proportional. In continuous proportional, three numbers are given to you. A, B and C. Three quantities are given to you. So their ratio become A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. First ratio with second, A ratio with B and B ratio with 3. This is the formula of continuous proportional. Next is mean proportional. In mean proportional, again three quantities are given to you, A, B, C. And B is the mean between A and C. Okay. So again it become A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. We can write A over B is equal to B over C. After cross multiplication we get B multiply with B, we get B square. A multiply with C, we get AC. Okay, when square will move other side, we know very well when square move other side it becomes square root. So B is equal to square root of AC. This is the mean proportional formula. We take example question number 5, fifth part. We take the example. They said find the mean proportional of 1 over 9 and 4. So we know the formula B is equal to square root of AC. Now A is 1 over 9 and C is 4. So mean proportional of 1 over 9 and 4 is square root of 1 over 9 and 4. What is the square root of 1? 1. What is the square root of 9? 3 3s are 9. So 3. What is the square root of 4? 2 2s are 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So 2 multiply with 1, 2. 3 in denominator as it is. 2 over 3 is our answer. Like that we will solve the other question of mean proportional. Next, move to the fourth proportional. How to find the fourth proportional? We know that the 4s are there, A, B, C, D. How to find the D? Means fourth proportional. So, we take the example, question number 3, third part. 4, 3 and 6 is given to you. 3 numbers are given to you. Fourth we have to find out. Let fourth proportional is X. So 4 ratio 3 proportional 6 ratio X. Write in a fraction 4 over 3, 6 over X. Cross multiply, 3 multiply with 6, 4 multiply with X. Now 4 move other side, it become divide. So 6 into 3 over 4. After cutting we get 9 over 2. So after division we get 4.5. It's mean fourth proportional is 4.5. Like that we can find easily fourth proportional. Now move to how to find the third proportional. Question number 4, first part we are taking here. 2 and 4 is given to you. In third proportional, we use the same method of continuous proportional. Here we are using the formula of continuous proportional. Here 3, we can take the middle, b repeated, right? In here also we can take b repeated. So let the third proportional is x. So we repeat this one, 4, 1. 2:4 proportional 4:x. Right, 2 over 4, 4 over x, cross multiply. So to move other side, after cutting we get x is equal to 8. Means third proportional is 8. Okay, like that we will do the other sums. Next is component ratios. Component ratios, A ratio B proportional to C ratio D. If they said find the component ratio, then we will use the formula AC over BD, means AC ratio BD. Here in our exercise there will be no any question of component ratio, but in example there are sub example related with the component ratios, so read it properly. Thank you. Question number 8. They said find the continuous proportional. 3 numbers are given to you, 9, x and 16. We know the continuous proportional formula, A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. Mean repeat the middle one. So 9 ratio x is equal to x ratio 16. 9 over x is equal to x over 16. So cross multiply, x multiply with x, we get x square. 9 multiply with 16 as it is. Square move other side, it become square root. What is the square root of 9? 3. What is the square root of 16? 4. So 3 into 4, 12 is our answer. In the question number 9, GK books are given to you, maths books are given to you, and we have to find out the physics books. It is given to you in the question GK to math, math to physics. 2 means here ratio, okay. So let physics books is x. So we write GK to maths, maths to physics. GK books are given to you 150, ratio maths books 300 and physics books x. Again 150 over 300, 300 over x. Cross multiply, x move other side. After cutting we get physics books is equal to 600. Question number 10. Ratio is given to you, length ratio, breadth ratio is given to you 5:7. Breadth is given to you 56. We have to find out the length. Let length is equal to x. So put in the formula, first is length, so x, then breadth is 56, it is already given to you. Ratio is given to you 5:7. Over it, after cross multiplication, after cutting, we get the answer x is equal to 40, means length is equal to 40. Like that we will do the question number 11 also. Thank you.